Children, today I am going to start the important topic of the children and women in sports. Today's topic is posture and its advantages. What is the topic of the day? The posture and its advantages. Children, but this topic is deleted by the CBSE in the current session. But without knowing the posture and its advantages, very tough to understand the next topic, postural deformities. So I am going to start the first topic of the chapter of posture and its advantage. The topic is posture. Children, what do you know about the posture? What is posture? Children, posture is simply a pose of the body. Posture is simply a pose of the body. What is posture? Posture is simply only the pose. It may be sitting position, standing position, laying, walking, running. At the time of the reading, we get the sitting position, and time to time you change and adapt the different type of the pose. So it may be static or dynamic. According to physical educationist, please pay attention. According to physical educationist, posture is a tool of mechanical efficiency of body, which causes minimum stress on muscles. Moreover, maximum output of physical efficiency can be attained. How you will attain the maximum efficiency? Till you will not develop the correct posture. Doctor tells posture is soundness of physiological balance of body. Doctor tells posture is soundness. Here the meaning of the soundness means healthy. The meaning of soundness is healthy. The posture is soundness means posture is healthy ness of physiological balance of body. When we do any work, mainly we adopt the two body posture and we perform the maximum activities. The first posture of the body is known by correct posture standing. What is the correct posture standing? In standing position, both standing position, both the heels of the feet should meet each other. My children, when you will stand and your heel of the both feet will not touch the floor, it is not a correct posture. Toes of the feet should be 3 inch to 4 inch apart. The whole body should be erect. Erect means straight. Straight knee. Straight knees. At the time of standing, your knees should be straight. Chin inside. Chin should be inside, not the outside. Chest forward. Belly. What is the position of the belly? Belly should be outward or backward. For a healthy person, your belly should be backward. Pressed inside with equal body. Pressed inside with equal body weight. On both feet. Please listen again. In standing position, both the heels of the feet should meet each other. Toes of the feet should be 3 to 4 inches apart. The whole body should be erect. The knees should be straight. Chin should be inside. Chest should be forward. And belly should be backward. And pressed inside with equal body weight on both feet. The other important pose is sitting position. So what is the correct posture sitting? Sitting is also one of the common activities in which most of our time is spent. Children, pay attention. Sitting is also one of the common activity in which most of our time is spent. Example, when we study or when we write, watching TV, maximum we get the position of different type of this sitting pose. But in correct sitting posture, Incorrect seating posture. Backbone should be correct. So that natural curve should be visible. Should be visible. Children, when you will sit, the upper region of the backbone should be straight. When you will sit on a chair, when you will be sit or when you will do work longer duration of the time on a chair, your backbone should be against the back of the chair. The arm should be balanced and waist should touch the back of the chair. Otherwise, your sitting position is not correct. So at the time of sitting on the chair, our backbone should be touched to the back of the chair. Waist should be touch the back of the chair. And arm should be in balanced way. The correct sitting and standing positions are very important to adopt a good body position. So what are the advantages of the correct posture? The correct posture play a very vital role in every facet of life, every aspects of the life. In fact, correct posture enhances the personality of an individual. Everyone want to look slim and trim. The correct posture is always appreciated by everyone. The correct posture is always appreciated by everyone. Across our working efficiency and ability depend upon good posture. Depend upon good posture. So my dear children, posture is very important for everyone to perform the efficient work without getting any problem. There are some importance of the posture can be understood properly if we go through the following points. Posture posture improves the attractive physical appearance. To get attractive physical appearance, good posture is very important. It is natural that every individual wants to have a good physical appearance. In fact, physical appearance, children, physical appearance depends on the posture. Physical appearance depends on the posture of the individual. And a good posture makes individual when you will get the good posture, you will look smart. Individual look smart, charming, and attractive. And charming and attractive, and without good or correct posture, it is impossible. So my children, to improve your attractive physical appearance, correct posture is very important. The next advantages of the correct posture is improves efficiency of movement. Improves efficiency of movement. Correct posture play a vital role in the field of sports and games. Correct posture plays a vital role in the field of games and sports. Sports and games involves various types of the movements, such as when you play any activity. Without movement, you cannot perform any activity. So, walking, running, throwing, jumping, rolling, bending, etc. are very important for everyone. An athlete requires a variety of the efficient movement, and to achieve high level of the performance, to achieve the high level of performance, in the field of sports, if the movements of the sports person if the movement of the sports person are efficient and graceful, and without it any persons cannot achieve the top level of the performance. So my dear children, to achieve the high level of the performance, the accurate movement is very important to achieve the top level of the performance. The next important advantage of the correct posture is physical fitness. Children, I had discussed maximum times in the previous classes, class 11. What is the physical fitness? What is physical fitness? Physical fitness is essential to live. Physical fitness is essential to live a productive life. In the class 11th, I had taught physical fitness is an ability to do any work at the maximum duration of the time without getting fatigued. And after work is over, you reserve some energy for the emergency. And when you will not get a good posture, you cannot achieve a good fitness. The component of physical fitness can be attained easily by an individual who has a good posture. The balance, coordination, endurance, strength, speed, and flexibility are the components of physical fitness. And how you will get it? Till you will not get a correct posture. So to achieve the high level of the fitness, good or correct posture are very important. The next advantages of the physical fitness, correct posture is reduces postural deformity. Correct posture reduces postural deformity. Correct posture helps to prevent postural deformity. Correct posture helps to prevent postural deformity. Prevent postural deformity. So my children, without correct posture you cannot reduced the deformity like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knee, round shoulder, round shoulder. These are the different type of the postural deformities. One more postural deformity, you get the bow legs. Bow legs, flat foot, children, without correct posture you cannot remove like kyphosis, lordosis, scoliosis, knock knees, round shoulder, bow legs, flat feet. I don't know the reason CBSE why deleted this portion, because till you will not know about these problems, advantages, you will not understand the postural deformities. Okay, so next postural advantages of the correct posture is improve health status. What is improve health status? Children, correct posture of the body reflects positive health status of an individual. Correct posture of body reflects positive health status of an individual, and good posture is an image of good health and sound body. Good health and sound body. So improve the health status. Correct posture is very important, and that day you will get the good health status. Automatically you will remove the postural deformity. So to get a good health status, correct posture is very important. The next advantages of the correct posture is improve the social fitness. My children, what is the how you will improve the social fitness? A good physique reflects positive social qualities. Children, by mistakes I have wrote here improve social status. No, social status. A good physique reflects positive social quality, and good posture is an image of happy lifestyle and social well-being of an individual. Children, when you get the chances to join any celebration like marriage celebration, birthday celebration, or any other type of the celebration, victory, when you declare the result, you organize the parties there. People only see who is looking smart, who is physically fit. So at the time of such type of the celebration, the correct posture improves your social status. So improve a social status, the correct posture are very important. The next advantages of the correct posture is the good body balance. How you will get the good body balance? Children, correct posture provides good body balance. Without correct posture provides good body balance. My children, without correct posture you cannot improve or you cannot get a good body balance. I am not commenting, but that person are obese, that person is disabled due to accident, injury, or the other reason from the time of birth, some diseases like the polio. We deform the different type of the postural deformities, and it reduces the good body balance. Thus, more stability of the individual while performing any workout. The correct posture is very important, and it improves and get a good body balance of an individual. The next advantages of the correct posture is better skill perfection. What is better skill perfection? When you play any games, football, kabaddi, kho, etc., to achieve the high level of the performance, the skill is very important, and more perfection in skills, more perfection in skill you will not get till you will not get a correct posture. So my children, it makes the movements gracefully and you perform many activities perfectly and you achieve your target. So my children, the better skill perfection is an important component of the sports, and without correct posture you cannot get the better perfection. The next advantages of the correct posture is economic value. How you will tell the correct posture has an economic value. A person of the good posture, a person of good posture makes less expenditure of energy while performing any type of the activity, please pay attention, any type of activity, please listen again. A person of good posture make less expenditure of energy while performing any type of the activity in comparison to the person with a postural deformity. So my children, a person of bad posture requires more effort in maintaining his balance at the time of performing any physical activity, and they waste also more energy in the comparison of physically fit person. So we can tell the correct posture has an economic value to its credit at the time of the performing any physical activities. Okay, that's all. Thank you.